approach once again, you should notice two significant modifications. While the wingmen, Lieutenant Commander Tomazeski and Major Stevens, still maintain that minimum wingtip to canopy separation, the flight leader and slot pilot are both upside down. From the right, the Blue Angel double Farvel. From behind the spectator area, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are approaching the flight line in a line abreast formation at 400 miles per hour. Having brought their aircraft 270 degrees and crossed with minimum separation, let's watch as both pilots sustain 6 times the force of gravity required to cross their aircraft over center point. The 4 Diamond pilots are now stacked down and aft on a 45-degree bearing line to establish a right echelon formation. From the right, at 350 miles per hour, the Blue Angel Echelon Parade. Setting up for their next maneuver, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are converging on center point to demonstrate the rapid roll rate of the FA-18's fly-by-wire flight control system. Crossing center point, they will complete 2 consecutive rolls totaling 720 degrees with a closure rate of over 800 miles per hour. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls. In front of the crowd to the right, Captain McWhorter is rolling out the Diamond to demonstrate the awesome power of these General Electric F404 engines. Approaching center point, he will call the 4 Diamond pilots to select full afterburner. Watch and listen to the thunder of 8 engines producing 128,000 pounds of thrust. More power than the starting lineup of the Daytona 500. To the right, let's watch as Captain McWhirter exits the flight line and sets up the formation for their next maneuver.
Give me fuel!
Now that Formations 5 and 6 have your attention, you have seen firsthand the ability of a tactical aircraft at high speed to sneak into a target area virtually undetected. Lieutenant Simonson will complete the maneuver with a series of vertical rolls, while Lieutenant Walborn rendezvous with the Diamond to the right.
We don't have a UAV right now. I know. Hermano, que tengo ya.
To the right, Lieutenant Walborn has joined the Diamond in a line abreast formation. Still maintaining minimum separation, the pilots must now align themselves by looking 90 degrees from their flight path toward Captain McWhirter's aircraft. From the right, at 350 miles per hour, the 5-plane line abreast flat pass.
Well, I started out down a dirty road. Started out.
As they exit to the left, Captain McWhirter calls for another formation change prior to detaching Boeing